Hey all, how are you? Welcome to Backspace. In this easy and practical tutorial, we will learn how to move cursor below a text box in Microsoft Word quickly and correctly. Sometimes after inserting a text box, you may find it difficult to click below it and continue typing, especially when the text box is floating. In this video, we will discover the proper methods to move your cursor below a text box, fix layout issue, and continue writing smoothly without breaking your document structure. So let's get started. At first, you have to open your document. Now you can see assignment. Now I go to the insert menu, click the picture option and select a image. Now I it make perfectly using this picture. Go to the format menu and click in front of text, then resize the image and make some small. Then go back again the insert menu, click the text box option, then draw a text box over the picture. Then we can see the image is hide or hidden, but you want to make the image front or cursor below the image. Go to the format menu at first, click the select option or the selection pane, and we can see here the layer or the path. We can see here the picture. We can see we select or cursor below the text box. Then you can up and down this picture, press and hold the left and right button, and we can see we move this picture anywhere. Now you can see we cursor below the text box easily. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than important video very soon. Thanks for watching.